Hey guys, a little update about me. I'm in a boot. They think it might be a stress fracture, but we'll see how it does in the next 10 days. But I'm still here filming like I always do, and they're over there about to start. So, just waiting for them to go, and then I'll walk over to my spot that I want to film from. Alright. There they go. You're about to see the angle of the start. They're gonna come up here. I'm not sure if I'll end up filming when they come up here or not, but it's gonna be real quick, I think. They're at 3.5 minutes right now, so I still got time. Might be able to get close to a mile. Here he is. Alright, Rulon. Gear switch here, gear switch. Nice job, guys. Nice job. Yeah. Let's go, Zane.
Francine, let's go.
Let's go, Zane. All right, Rulon, 1959, supposedly.
Yes.
How do you feel about it?
I feel like I really sneaked away with that one. I felt pretty good.
snuck
After like
through
the
that
first half mile, I was pretty much in dead last. And I was like, well, that kind of sucks. And so I just kind of worked my way up for another mile or so until I got stuck in no man's land. And then I was just by myself running in the woods. And I don't know, managed to sneak under somehow. Rolled my ankle twice. And that was not fun, but we're just kind of said, F it, let's go.
And you said mile 3 was really rough.
Mile 3 was rough, mostly because I was already dead, and I freaking rolled my ankle pretty hard. So, oh well. You got like I had like a first little bit. You were there when I rolled my first little bit, and then yeah.
You probably
And
didn't
then,
see it.
Dude, that's funny you said that because when I ran here a few weeks ago, I rolled my ankle twice in the woods as well. Like one of the times over there on that little hill when you're coming down.
Yeah. No, mine was I was coming down on that side, and there's like a big thing, and my glasses were fogged, and I just went, and that was not very fun.
Dude, mine was, it
was my left ankle too. If you're curious about that. Anyway, it doesn't matter. Still broke 20.
Yep. And next week is the last race of the season. We'll definitely see how that one goes. It might be really rough conditions, but yeah, we'll see how it goes.
Yeah.
Just do your best, I guess.
Should be fine.
Full send.
Full send. Probably wear the speeds for that one, I think.
Maybe, if it's not too bad. You can bring them.
I'll bring them. I'd prefer not to wear spikes, but we'll see. I didn't see any snow in the forecast, but I could be wrong.
Yeah.
But anyway.
All right.
That's a breaking 20 for real.
For real.
All the way breaking 20.
Yep.